So we're back with a brand new product. This is the ViewSonic VG1656N. This is a LED backlit display, but the cool thing about this is that it's got its own power supply. So while a lot of other display models, like screens, will basically allow you to connect it and run power off of the other computer, this one here primarily is going to have its own power source, which is really nice. There we go. Whew, really well stored. Okay, so we got a nice little manual here talking about some of the features. This is a really cool display folio for it. Really well shipped and really well protected. And here we have the display module. Nice. And a power cord, and then USB-C, USB-C power cord there. And that's it for inside the box. So this is the display right here. It's got your power in cord there, and you've got another USB-C on the other side. You've got what appears to be the on button here. It's going into sleep mode. There's no display connected to it yet. So the case is really cool. It's magnetic to the actual screen as well as itself. So for instance, you can take this, oops, and you can pop that out like that to give it a little stage. You can also use that to close it off, seal it so it doesn't get scratched and travel. And then it can also take the screen off, then pop it up like that, or however you basically want to use the screen for your orientation. The choice is really yours. The screen itself will last about 3 hours. It can get recharged in about 3.5 hours with quick charging. Regular charging is about 6.5 hours. The device can run while being powered on one side, and then the other cord going directly into a computer if you want. You can also use this wireless display adapter to send your screen directly into here without needing it to actually be plugged in, which is really nice. So let's take this and let's set this up and show you what it looks like when it's actually set, giving another screen, and we'll be right back. Cool gadget to have, especially if you want an extra screen, and also because of the fact that it gives you these extra features that need to basically run a power cord all the time, makes it really great for an extra screen for a laptop on the go. Well, hopefully you guys found this helpful. Hopefully pick it up for yourself. We'll see you guys next time. next time. Bye.